Since 2011, 3,000 plus satisfied customer. Internationally recognized brands. We are now the legendary leader of automotive equipments. Dato Supply. Paint booth. Clear floor 2-post lift. AC service station. Dato compressor. Tools with trolley. Battery charger. Diagnostic scanner. And many more. Major reasons why buy from us. Strict marketing control policy. Professional research and development team, and local technical support service. Management experience and powerful industry relationship. For more detail you can contact us on www.datotech.de. Thanks for watching.